I think generally just getting a solidified robot concept. We knew pretty quickly into the season generally what we wanted to accomplish, but the specifics of how we want to do it is something that's really difficult this year. I mean, we've spent much more time prototyping and iterating than we have in any years I've been on the team, especially with the Spindexer. I mean, we spent weeks deciding how we're going to do that and accomplish that exactly. And now it's like the specific things that go on the robot aren't exactly like super difficult to manufacture per se, but integrating them all into just one system has proven to be really difficult. But I think we've been handling it well. I mean, I think we did a lot more robust prototyping than we have in the past, and we've been making use of some of the new tools we've had, using a lot of 3D printed stuff like the whole shooter and the whole snail shell, as well as trying out the Sheipoku for some of the side plates and things like that. The main thing is just kind of getting something to a point where it can drive on the field. I think by the end of today, it's going to really help morale to just be able to see something move for once after 6 weeks of doing this. And there's still going to be a lot more we have to iterate on, a lot we have to clean up before it's even close to competition ready or even close to being ready to like start coding. But I really just want to make sure that we can get all the stuff we need done so that we can see a robot moving. It's definitely going to depend on how it's looking at the end of the day here and how each of the subsystems work and interact with each other. Really, as it stands, we have no idea how everything's going to work together. I do think because the Spindexer is something we spent so much time iterating on, if we can get that to a point where it performs well and we're hitting 6, 10 balls per second, I'll be really proud of that and what we've done in that regard. But there's a lot of other stuff on the robot I think is very cool.